So in the previous session, we have created this main function, and using this main function, we are calling this two functions which we created previously. So which are time and date function, and also we added another functionality of quitting the program. So let me just show you the output of this what we made in the previous session.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 8 hours, 8 minutes, and 6 seconds. The current date is 15/5/2020. Good evening, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how can I help you?
Jarvis, what is the time now?
The current time is 8 hours, 8 minutes, and 28 seconds.
Jarvis, what is the date today?
The current date is 15/5/2020.
Jarvis, go offline. So as you can see, it is able to tell us the current time, date, and it is also able to quit the program. So in this video, we will try to add a search functionality, if we say some string and we want it to our Jarvis assistant to search it on Wikipedia. So we are going to implement that thing now. So first of all, we need to import or install this library, which is a Wikipedia library. So let me just try to put the command here. So I will do pip install Wikipedia. So it will install the Wikipedia library in my system, and I have already installed it on my system. So let me just try to copy the command from here, and I will just go at the top of the program and import this library, which is Wikipedia. So we'll type Wikipedia, and I will add the command for installing this library here. So you can use this command to install it on your system as well. So after doing that, what we want to do is we will create another elif statement, and in that elif statement, we will add a string that will be Wikipedia. And if our query or our command contains Wikipedia in it, so it will go into this function which we will create now. So I will add Wikipedia here. So So we will add Wikipedia here, and we will do in query. So it will check the query for this string in it. So after that, what we will do is we will call the speak function which we created, and we want our AI assistant to speak that it is searching. And our AI assistant first of all will get the string, and it will speak searching, and after that we want our query which we will get through our take command function, and we'll do query equals to query dot replace, and we will replace the word Wikipedia in it. So we only want to search the specific word. For example, we want to search Python. So our phrase will be search on Wikipedia, or Jarvis search on Wikipedia, Jarvis. So it will search the string Jarvis or Python on the Wikipedia, and it will return us the value. So we want to replace this string which will be Wikipedia. We'll do the Wikipedia, and we will replace it with the blank string. So we will be removing the word Wikipedia from our sentence basically, and in the result we will create a result variable. In the result variable, what we will do is do Wikipedia dot summary. So it will return us the summary of our search, and we will do, first of all, we want to search our query which we will be getting after replacing this Wikipedia word from it, and we will do sentence. So we want to get the second sentence from our results. So we'll do sentence equals to 2. So it will return the second sentence of the result after searching it. So we will first of all try to print this thing, our result. We will try to print the result, as well as we want our Jarvis AI assistant to speak the result for us. So we will also call the speak function again, and we will pass the result variable here. So it will try to show us the result of this thing, or of this Wikipedia search. So let me just try to save it, and let's just try to run it and see if it is working or not.
Welcome back, sir. The current time is 8 hours, 14 minutes, and 35 seconds. The current date is 15/5/2020. Good evening, sir. Jarvis at your service. Please tell me, how
Search on Wikipedia Python.
Searching. Python is an interpreted, high-level, general-purpose programming language. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python's design philosophy emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant wiki space.
Search on Wikipedia Artificial Intelligence.
Searching. In computer science, artificial intelligence, AI, sometimes called machine intelligence, is intelligence demonstrated by machines, in contrast to the natural intelligence displayed by humans and animals. Leading AI textbooks define the field as the study of intelligent agents, any device that perceives its environment and takes actions that maximize its chance of successfully achieving its goals.
Go offline, Jarvis. So as you guys can see, it is able to search on Wikipedia as well. So this course is getting more interested now. So now in the next upcoming videos, we will be seeing how we can send emails using our Jarvis AI assistant. So stay tuned with our course. So let's move to the next session.